Exciting news. I got my first ever drone. This is my biggest investment ever in camera gear. This is the DJI Mavic Air. And it's not even like a top of the line one, it's just the one that in my soul, when I was doing research, I could just feel that like this is the one I'm meant to get. Other than my MacBook, this is the biggest purchase and investment I've ever made into making better videos, but a part of me just knows that this is gonna make a huge difference. So I've had it for a couple of days and I've been nervous about unboxing it. As you can see, it's still brand new, but we're gonna do it together. And then in Canada, they just have new laws, so I have to register this and do an online exam and get a pilot license, and then we can fly it. The great thing about this is that it's going to give me an excuse to do more big road trips, little road trips, and just get out of the city into the open spaces, my favorite places in the world, and see the whole world from a different perspective. So excited for this. Once I open this, there's no going back. Okay, this thing. So this is all of the stuff. I got the Fly More combos because I read online that getting extra batteries is really helpful since fly time is only about 20 minutes. First thing I've got to do is charge my batteries with this charging hub, charge everything, and then fill out the tests. If I get the test done today, then we can go out and fly. I finally finished all of my paperwork. I have my pilot certificate now. I guess that makes me a pilot. It took me so long to do the quiz because I had to research every single question on it, but I passed, so I don't have to do it again now. And I have my certificate of registration for my drone, so we're good to go. Let's give this drone a shot. So we have arrived at a place called Hilton Falls. This is my first time driving here after work, and I am so excited to be here. It's also absolutely gorgeous weather. Let's get out of here. I have to put my shoes back on because I drove barefoot. It is so gorgeous out. It's the first time I can recall wearing shorts outside and it actually being warm enough, probably since last September. So it's the most perfect day. We're going to find a place to try out the drone. There's a really cool waterfall here. I'm gonna try the drone out before we go to the waterfall because the waterfall's in the woods. So I forgot that there are a bunch of things that I have to do when I connect the drone to the app because I never actually did that yet. So I'm gonna have to sit here on the ground and deal with all of that first and hope that it all connects and then we can fly it. happy and excited that it worked. I was nervous about flying it over the lake though, so it probably wasn't the best idea to do my first flight right here. I didn't want to drop into the lake by accident, but either way, it was quite easy to fly and to move around. I'm excited to try it more. The sad thing and funny thing is that my iPhone battery is dying, even though my drone batteries are completely full. I'm going to have to go back to my car to see if I can charge my phone up to get a little bit more of the waterfalls that are actually here, since I made it all the way here. I'm not sure if I'm going to test my drone out, but we'll find out. So this is me sitting in my car, waiting for my phone to charge. In the past, I would have been annoyed that I didn't get everything ready properly before I came. But I've really just learned to be patient. So I just sat in my car and enjoyed the sunlight and good weather while I waited. A year ago, I didn't even know if I wanted to be behind the camera ever again, let alone in front of the camera. For over a year, my cameras sat in a drawer and the batteries drained. But on this gorgeous June day, I found a piece of myself that I'd surrendered. By giving up the thing that gave me my identity, I've been able to discover who I am outside of my job, my work, my skills, and my social media profiles. I discovered that I'm loved beyond measure, that I'm taken care of, that there's something that knows me and has a plan for me that's even better than my own plans. I discovered that I'm a beloved daughter and a child of God. On my way home, the sunset was breathtaking. I pulled over and sent the drone up. For the very first time, I saw my neighborhood the way the angels must see it.